I've been working on my elevator pitch. You know, that 30-second spiel you're supposed to have ready to tell people what your company does and what you do for them. So anyway, how's this? My name is Ross Barefoot and I work for Horizon Web Marketing. We help companies who want to be found online. Simple. How do we do that? Well, I'm so glad you asked. Option one is that you hire us and we optimize your website and your internet marketing so that you can get more exposure online while you focus on your business. Since we've been doing it so long and we have such a good team, we'll get better results at a lower cost than most other companies you might hire, and probably better than your own staff because they're really torn between a bunch of different jobs. Am I right? Option two is definitely less expensive, but you do have to commit more of yourself to it, or at least someone on your staff. You see, we also offer training to businesses so they know better what to do to make Google pay attention to them and give them a decent amount of exposure. What do? Well, I'm the lead SEO strategist and trainer, which means that my job basically is to keep track of Google and make sure we keep our customers and our training moving in the right direction. Now, since Google changes like the weather, that's pretty much a full-time job. Well, how was it? If my elevator pitch sounds interesting, and when you have more than 30 seconds, give us a call. We'll fill you in on the rest of the details. And here's the phone number for you.